Okay, here we go. There's a bit of while since I did a video, I tell you. But yeah, due to the recycling not paying as much as it did, the losses I suffered from having council and EPA shut me down, still doing e-waste, which I can store in my shed that we have now in the property we had to move to. But I can't do all the other stuff. I lost all the TVs, the printers, and yeah, I lost about $1 million worth of product last year, 2024. But we're now in 2025. I'm back doing some contracting to help pay the bills, because recycling definitely doesn't do it, not yet. And yeah, so I'm back to repairs. This is a look at a stump that needs repair. It's only a little one. These are only 20 years old, by the way. And I've repaired 1, 2, 3 so far. There's quite a few I've been able to salvage, just to clean them up and paint them with some waterproof, give them a good thick waterproof treatment, and then put a dome of concrete around to stop the water from getting to the posts. Unfortunately, they didn't dome the posts. That's what I did. Oops, I get out of the sun. See, put the concrete up. This is how they all are. They're all 3 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches below ground level. And where we are is over overland flow. So every time it gets some serious rain, the whole place gets wet and stays wet for weeks. And that's what's caused this. Because there was nothing around the post to prevent the water from getting to it. And they weren't treated correctly. So there's not much post left. As you see, the steel is pretty well gone. And yeah, the challenge is I've got to cut them off like that. Then go chase that piece that's left over, because I've only got a very small hole to get into, and get the post out. Now I trim that off when I get to good steel, add another piece of another post that I took out, add that, cut it off to length once it's welded onto that one, put a bottom plate on it that I can bolt onto the old footing, because I can't do the footing out either, it's too big, too hard. Luckily there's enough posts here to hold the house bracing wise. And so we're just bolting the plates down, the posts down. Have to take the top off of this one too, because the old pin that's in there I can't move, so I've got to put a hole further over so I can put a coach screw in to hold it. But yeah, that's what we're up to. And yeah, this is the first video I've done for a while. Got into the esoteric stuff earlier. Got a bit more to do on that yet. Keep on getting a bit disheartened with low figures on money. But yeah, working at it, and we're getting there. Piece by piece. It all takes time. Anyway, I got to get back to this one. It takes me almost all day to do one post. It's crazy. You know, 6 to 8 hours just to get one post in and out. That's a wacky job. Alrighty. Nice to talk to you again. Catch up with you soon. Bye.